Does your kitchen knife crush tomatoes instead of slicing them? Before you buy a new knife, try this free trick. The secret isn't inside the mug, it's the rough ceramic ring underneath.
Flip the mug upside down and place it on a towel so it won't slide. That rough ceramic acts like a fine sharpening stone and gently realigns the knife's edge.
Hold the blade at roughly a 20-degree angle and gently pull it across the ceramic. Alternate both sides of the blade with 6 to 8 light strokes.
Don't press hard. Gentle pressure gives better results and protects the blade. After sharpening, wipe away any tiny metal particles before using the knife. Now test the edge. Notice how easily it glides through the tomato? A sharp knife should also slice cleanly through paper with almost no effort. You're not removing much metal, you're simply restoring the cutting edge. Always sharpen away from your body, and keep your fingers clear of the blade.
Line Nicey, some you from Missing Clones and Supernsettle. The strip schmore, 9 shitter, 3 tuxture, Kenning Florence. Slalo traits.
Avoid using this trick on expensive specialty knives that require professional sharpening. A few careful strokes can completely change how your knife performs. Instead of spending money on a new knife, use what you already have.
Simple tricks like this make everyday cooking easier. Try it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to The Life Explained. Share this kitchen hack with someone who needs it.